Hi, if we check our product model, it has got belongs to many relationship with the tags as well as the categories. It also has the belongs to relationship with the brand, but let's just ignore it for the time being. So what we want is we want to be able to display the categories and the tags in the add as well as the edit form. So our tall Crud generator package allows us to do that, and we would be generating such a package and display it over this screen over here. So let us generate it using our package. First of all, we are going to give the model name, which is product, and then over here I'm going to keep everything as it is. We have got the add, edit, and delete model which are selected. If we go to the next field, we need to select all the fields that we need to display on the listing as well as on the add and edit form. First of all, I'm going to select the name, and I would then select the other fields, and lastly I would select the status. And status, I can give it a label as well if you want. I'm going to give it as active, and I do not want this status on the listing form. I only want them in the add and edit form. Also, I'm going to make these two fields sortable, and I'm going to make the name as searchable as well. So let us give some validation to all these attributes which are going to be there in the add and edit form. And the status I'm going to change to checkbox. There we go. Now all the relationship fields would be defined on these fields. So here we have belongs to many relation. So I'm going to add that one. So the first relation that I'm going to add is categories, and I want them in both add and edit form. And here in the drop down, I'm going to select the field that we are going to display in the as a multiple checkbox. So I want to display the name, so I'm going to select that. And here we go. We can also select tags and do the same thing for that. So both categories and tags would be displayed in the add and edit form. If you want, we can also display the belongs to field in the form. And here I'm going to select all these fields. So now belongs to, so now the brand field would also be available in the add and edit form. So these fields that I selected in the previous steps as well as all the relationship fields would be present in the add and edit form. You can just click on next, and then we can give the name to our Livewire component. I'm going to give this name and generate the files, and I'm going to copy this code and paste it into our view file over here, and then let's reload it. And if I click on the edit, we see that we have got categories and tags which are belongs to many fields, and we are able to save these fields from our form.